Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you a puzzle. It looks really old, it's because it got beat up a lot. And I took the bottom off of it with not looking at it. So here it is, the puzzle. Wait, what? Where's the puzzle? Is this a 1x1? I guess I'll solve it. It doesn't turn. This 1x1's broken. It doesn't turn. Wait. 1x1 needs to turn. It's broken. I'm asking for another puzzle. That keeps coming off. There. I'm getting another puzzle, okay? So, that was totally random. Well, I guess you can subscribe and hit the thumbs up button and hit the notification bell. Bye. See you next video.
Hopefully you enjoyed that little, I don't know. Well, see you next time.